Alright, today we're going to take a look at another Zippo that I just received. But first we're going to have a little story about an album by Pink Floyd called Meddle. This is the CD. It came out in 1992. Actually, it was a re-release or a remaster of this album that originally came out in the early 70s. That's the cover work. That's supposed to be a picture of an ear underwater, but it kind of looks like a nose to me. It actually looks like there are a pair of glasses right there. Anyway, if you look at the inner little pamphlet booklet that is supplied with this thing, let's take a look at this thing. Of course, the pamphlet tells about the group. It tells you all tracks laid down. There's the group. Second page. This is Pillows of Winds, or a Pillow of Winds, with the words. And here's the interesting one. It is called Fearless, and it talks about climbing and survival, climbing the hill on his own. And you can see right there, it looks like an old case folding pocket knife. And there is an old compass. And the interesting thing right there is what looks to me like a Zippo. And this is kind of a double exposure, so you can see looks like a Zippo to me. So that kind of proves that Pink Floyd is one of the better groups. That is in the Meddle booklet. So that's very cool. Okay, let's take a look at the new Zippo. And it came in this white cardboard box instead of the sleeve. It changed to the cardboard box. And they have the barcode with description on the outside, and it is the death card design. So the inside, it came in the regular Zippo box with no markings or no label on it except for that idiotic P65 warning. So this is the death card. You can see there's a number 13. And Death on a Horse. Now this is on a black matte finish. It's got a black matte finish over a brass body. And it looks like it was made in this year, which is February of this year. Really good stampings on this one. Now this one did come with a plain steel insert that I changed with the brass colored insert. It looks a little bit better. So it lights up nice. Got a real good sound. Let's do a drop test on the death card. It bounces nice. Let's do another drop test. Passes the drop test nicely. That is the number 13 death card Zippo. Oh, and by the way, Pink Floyd does have its own Zippo. This looks like it was made in, looks like L of 14. Kind of hard to see. It doesn't make it any easier, but it looks like it's 14. So that's the Pink Floyd Zippo, along with the death card. Definitely use some cowbell around here. Knuckle bump.